Hi, hello everybody, welcome to the iLabor demo. So this is still in UAT, but we still wanted to show how the tool looks like. So the first thing is what we kept in mind was, I know Cool Tool is a great success, so we want to ensure that we raise the bar so high, so we wanted iLabor to be better. So the first thing is we wanted to show you how the login page kind of looks like. That's the landing page. The URL is ilabor.uat.bpo.capgemini.com. At this point in time, it runs an internet and an intranet. So this is the login page. So what we did in Cool Tool was pretty different. It's just a picture with what AECOM did business with, the One Trade Center picture. But in this one, we actually wanted to put AECOM's video itself. And we were kept in mind that we all use Google every day, and of course we love it because it's so simple. So that's exactly what we kept in mind, that in the top left you find the Capgemini logo, in the top right you have AECOM, Imagine It Delivered, and then very simple, welcome to iLabor with the video running in the background. So in Cool Tool, if you see, we had multiple options in the landing page, but here we want to keep it, as I said, very simple and elegant. So we just have sign in and sign up. So for a user who already has an account, then you can click on sign in, just type in your ID and password, and you're good to go. But if you want to sign up for an account, you can do that. So I'm going to take 2 steps. So for example, I'm a new user and I want to sign up. All I have to do is click on sign up, type in my first name, my middle name and last name, and I type in my employee number. So let me just show you how that works. For example, I type in Dennis, I say my middle initial, and then I put my last name, and then I put my employee number. I'm going to use my Capgemini as of now. And then, for example, if I want to type in an email, I'm going to say this is my email address, and I would say I want to create a password. So you can create a simple password however you want, and you can confirm the password again. And then this is important because if you select your business line and the region, it's not going to ask you when you log in. So this might have, I'm going to change the email just to show that, because I've already registered. So I'm going to just delete that for a minute and then say dennis.k@acom.com, and I'm going to change the employee number, just that it does not say it's duplicate. And then I click on register. It says if password should be a 6-digit, so I'm gonna type in something new, and that's how it is. And I retype the password. Okay, just to show you how the registration process works. So when I click on that, it says success. Thank you for signing for iLabor. We have sent you an email with the confirmation. If you look at the background picture, this is very close to AECOM's heart, because that's the nature of their business. So I'm gonna say click on home page. Now, considering that I got an email and I signed up, if I had the account, I would click on sign in and say that's my ID, that's my password, and the video is still running in the background. I click on login. So this is what it is. So if you look at the background, this is again the nature of work what AECOM does. So it's just colorful different hats in the background, because that's what they really do in terms of architecture, engineering, consulting, operations management. So here we kept it very simple. Welcome to iLabor, and just 3 options. I'm just not gonna go through everything in detail, but the first one. So as a requester, this is what I would do. I would first click on create, and it has like 3 options, self, behalf. So I'm going to show you just one. Click on the self. It's going to ask me to fill in my business line, my region, exempt employee, and the approver's email ID. I'm just going to use just for demo, I'm going to use a fake ID, and then I'm going to say create form. Immediately, if you see, it's going to prepare. So this is a new feature that we created, where you can add the picture of yourself, because I know every time we like to keep pictures on our desk, so this is going to be close to our heart. It's a nice to be feature, and even for the approver, they can upload it. So I need to put a transfer reasons for in this case, I'm going to say test, and it's the online form. So and if you notice, it only enables the beginning date on Friday, because that's how the requests are. So I'm going to select one. I'm going to create a drop down, and project number for AECOM is 8 digits. So if you see the note below, it says it has to be 8. And then I'm going to put a task, and then I'm going to again do that. and again I need to type in an 8-digit project number, and then again I put a task, and then I click on, come to the bottom and say okay. So the form gets created. So pretty much just for testing, I want to keep it very simple. So say I want to add hours, so I'm going to add 1 hour on a Saturday, or let me add 1 hour on a Monday and delete this. And then if you see in the bottom, you have a note which says total number of hours should be 0, which means you're gonna add an hour to this project and delete it from this project. So I have to delete it, so I say -1. The minute I do that, it's nullified. This is good to go. If you need to add a row, you can click on adding a row, and you can. If you don't want, you can cancel it. It'll throw up a message whether you want to do that. Say yes, and then all I have to do is I fill in information, and then I click on submit the form for approval. Are you sure? Yes. I need to type an email and send it. So I'm not going to do that now because it's just demo, and it'll still shoot out an email. So that's just to show you how the first look and feel of iLabor is. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.